And here is a little preview. Silverado Skatepark in the west side of Long Beach. It's being redone. This is December 2023. It's going to be open late January 2024. Brand spanking new. All the prefab stuff has been torn out, though they're still going to keep some of the original elements that were at Cherry. Yeah, I think this is version 3.0. This park has been a mixture of hand-me-downs from other skate parks. You can see here, there's going to be a quarter pipe there. You can, little A-frame thing there with a little hubba or down rail. Another quarter pipe in the other end with a layback there, and then I'll walk around a little bit, but oh look, there's lights. That's cool. Beautiful day. Some guy playing horn in the background. Anyways, this is funded by the community, not by the city, but it's much needed. The elements were falling apart and very much dangerous. These prefab elements tend to get old and rusty, and gonna need tetanus shots to skate it, but not anymore. Brand spanking new. It's gonna look good. I'm glad this got done. This is very much needed. Oh, there's another little, I'll walk on the other side, there's a quarter pipe there too. There's some guy playing horn. I wish we'd play again. He was really good in the background here. So yeah, this is an old sports court. Oh, there we go. I can hear it in the background now. Yeah, a little ledge rail there, mani pad gonna be there. Here's the other quarter pipe at an angle. Looking good, looking good. Silverado Skatepark redo. This little preview gonna be open, they say, in late January of 2024. Spawn Ranch is doing this one. Funded, organized, funded by the community. You can read about it on the local press. I won't go into the details. Yeah. I'll try to post a full video when it's done.